Are you the best pedal exercisers? Pedal exercisers have become increasingly popular for individuals looking to stay active while working from home, recovering from injuries, or simply incorporating low-impact exercise into their daily routines. These compact machines are versatile, offering both arm and leg exercises and cater to a wide range of users, from seniors seeking rehabilitation to office workers aiming to stay active during sedentary hours. List 1. Vaughan Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser with electronic display for indoor physical therapy. The Vaughan Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser is a budget-friendly option designed for light exercise and rehabilitation. Its compact and lightweight design, combined with a quick-release folding mechanism, makes it highly portable and easy to store. The adjustable tension knob allows users to control resistance levels, making it suitable for individuals recovering from surgery or managing arthritis. The LCD display tracks essential metrics such as time, count, and calories burned, providing basic feedback for users. While the Vaughan excels in portability and affordability, its performance is limited for more intense workouts. The resistance levels are adequate for light to moderate use, but may not challenge advanced users. Additionally, its lightweight frame can shift slightly during vigorous pedaling, which may require repositioning. Overall, this model is ideal for seniors or those seeking a simple, affordable solution for low-impact exercise. In testing, the Vaughan performed well for its intended use cases, particularly for post-surgery rehabilitation and light physical therapy. Its low profile fits comfortably under desks, making it a good choice for office workers who want to stay active while seated. However, the limited resistance levels and lack of advanced features like remote control or preset programs make it less appealing for fitness enthusiasts. The build quality is adequate, but not as robust as higher-priced options, which is reflected in its lower weight capacity. List number: Mini Exercise Bike. The Himali Mini Exercise Bike offers a step up in features compared to basic models, with an adjustable resistance knob and a multifunctional LCD display. This exerciser is versatile, allowing users to engage in both arm and leg workouts. Its compact and portable design, combined with anti-slip pedals and non-slip feet, ensures stability during use. The LCD monitor provides detailed feedback, including time, distance, calories, and scan mode for tracking multiple metrics in sequence. During testing, the Himali impressed with its smooth operation and slightly higher resistance levels compared to the Vaughan. However, its plastic construction feels less durable, and the assembly process, while straightforward, could be improved with clearer instructions. This model is well suited for users seeking a balance between affordability and functionality, particularly for light to moderate exercise routines at home or in the office. The Himali is a great option for those who want more control over resistance levels, as it offers 8 adjustable settings. List number: Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. The Goog TTR Under-Desk Elliptical Machine stands out with its dual modes, manual and automatic, and 12 adjustable resistance levels. Its magnetic resistance mechanism ensures a quiet operation, making it ideal for use in shared spaces. The remote control is a thoughtful addition, allowing users to adjust settings without bending over. This model is particularly suited for seniors and individuals undergoing leg rehabilitation, offering a low-impact workout that improves circulation and muscle strength. In our tests, the Goog TTR delivered a smooth and silent pedaling experience, even at higher resistance levels. The ability to pedal both forward and backward adds versatility, targeting different muscle groups. However, its higher weight, 15 pounds, makes it less portable compared to lighter models. Additionally, the price point may be a barrier for budget-conscious buyers, though the features justify the cost for those seeking a premium experience. List number: Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. The Putnam Electric Ellipse Leg Exerciser is the premium option in this comparison, offering advanced features like 12 adjustable speeds, a magnetic resistance system, and a remote control. Its compact design and silent operation make it suitable for home and office use, while the LCD display tracks key metrics such as speed, distance, and calories. This model is particularly beneficial for seniors and those recovering from injuries, providing a low-impact, zero-pressure workout. During testing, the Putnin excelled in both performance and user experience. The magnetic resistance provided a smooth and consistent pedaling motion, and the remote control made it easy to switch between modes without interrupting the workout. However, the higher price may deter some buyers, and the lack of included batteries for the remote control is a minor inconvenience. This model is best suited for users who prioritize advanced features and are willing to invest in a high-quality product. List 5. Firedun Mini Exercise Bike. The Firedun Mini Exercise Bike offers a versatile workout experience with 14 adjustable resistance levels, making it suitable for a range of users, from beginners to those in rehabilitation. Its lightweight design and non-slip pedals ensure stability during use, while the LCD display provides detailed workout metrics. This model is particularly well-suited for individuals seeking a compact and portable solution for light to moderate exercise. In testing, the Firedun impressed with its smooth operation and higher resistance range compared to other budget models. However, its plastic construction, while lightweight, feels less robust than metal alternatives. The LCD display is functional but lacks backlighting, which can make it harder to read in low-light conditions. Overall, this model offers excellent value for money and is ideal for users seeking an affordable yet feature-rich pedal exerciser.